welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Temu app stuck on loading screen. If your Temu app just keeps spinning and won't open, here's a quick way to get it working again. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen, then find Temu and swipe it away fully to close it. Step number 2, check your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch on mobile data or vice versa, then reopen the app. If that also does not work, go ahead and open your settings and then scroll down, go to apps and go to Temu, and then make sure your cellular data and then background app refresh option is on. After that, restart your phone and clear out any temporary glitches. Open the Temu app again and wait for a few seconds. It should load normally now. Privacy tip: always update Temu from the App Store only. Avoid downloading modified versions that could cause issues or security risk. Quick fix: if it's still stuck, delete the Temu app and then reinstall it from the App Store and log back in. This refreshes everything and usually clears stubborn loading problem. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick, easy tech fixes.